So guys, come let's make homemade cornflakes. So easy, so simple to achieve. Actually, it's my first time of making this cornflakes, so I'm going to show you how I prepared it, and if you want to know, stay tuned to the end of this video. So guys, to begin, I'm going to be peeling out the corns, and for this recipe I use 1.5 corn. So you can also use 2 because it's my first time, so I decided to try it out to see how it will look, the outcome, if I will actually like it. Guys, to be honest, the outcome was not bad, and it was very simple, so easy to achieve. I love trying new things, and this homemade cornflakes is one of the best I have ever tried. My children love taking cornflakes in the morning, so I thought about it. Let me just give it a try if it will come out nice. And as you can see, the outcome was not bad at all. Yeah, so my lovelies, if today is your first time watching my video, hi, let's be friends.
Hello.
You know what to do. Click that sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload video on weekly basis. So at this minute, the popcorn, the popcorn, the corn is ready. I cooked it for 5 minutes. Next, what I do next is I went ahead and blend it in my blender with the same water, added a little water from the one I used in parboiling the corn. Okay guys, so keep watching. The process is just easy to achieve. Just follow this step and you are good to go. So at this stage, it's ready. I'm done with the blending. Next, transfer it in a plate or a bowl, whichever one. Okay guys. So at this stage, I'm going to be adding half teaspoon of salt, 8 grams of sugar, vanilla sugar. You can also use brown sugar if you like. Then I added a teaspoon of baking powder. Then the next one I added was the corn flour. You can also use potato starch or rice flour. Guys, make use of what you want, but the best option is corn flour. Okay, so just go ahead and mix very well and pour in your baking pan and spread it out just as you are seeing, and transfer in your oven. Let it to dry for 15 minutes. After you have preheated your oven for 140 centimeters. Okay guys, so take note. Keep watching. So guys, after 15 minutes, here is the outcome. Just carefully remove it out, just as you're seeing right on your screen. Okay guys, just go ahead and cut it into tiny pieces, just as you're seeing. And here is the outcome. Ooh la la. So tell me what you think at the comment section. Is it worth trying? Are you gonna try it? What do you think? You can see how nicely prepared it's looking. So simple. My daughter is already on the corner waiting for a portion of her own. She's just waiting for me to just serve the cornflakes because she loves this cornflakes so much. So guys, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you watch this video to this extent, thank you so much. See you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye. I just serve it with fresh milk and the taste is so delicious, just like the one you buy in a supermarket. Okay guys, bye for now. Ciao.